nobody else see it?
Looks like the Goodyear blimp crashed into it. The Goodyear blimp went inside of it. I think he's gonna try to land here.
Wow! I am so excited. He sees us taking a picture of it.
There comes the blimp right over. Look, the blimp's gonna push him. Check it out.
Is that blimp like a balloon too? Is that a real thing? It's so awesome. Oh my god. That is so awesome. I've never in my whole entire life have ever seen. Oh, you got it on?
Yeah. He's coming right here. He's gonna try to make it. You probably have to help him. You might have to video, and I might you never know.
My mother. My mother.
You know, well, he's gonna be. You're gonna miss it if you go do that.
Oh my god.
He's gonna
hit the tree.
No, he ain't gonna make it here. He might. How you doing?